This one.
In progress.
Welcome everyone to our Live Good Affiliate Marketing presentation. So, before tayo mag-proceed, ay magpapakilala muna ako sa inyo. Welcome, I'm Coach Mark Nile de Gasdas and I'm one of the Live Good pioneer and professional network marketers. Have been in this industry for quite a while na rin and one of the speakers bureau of our team sa DMW and full-time. Yes, ito na po yung ating bread and butter and the founder of my team, Zeal Empire, and currently a platinum rank member. But this presentation is not all about me, but rather it's all about you, your goals, your dreams, kung paano ba natin matin yan this year through the help of this opportunity. Kaya I want you to tune in and don't tune out. So before we proceed, meron tayong short disclaimer to set the right expectation. So this presentation is intended to provide a general overview of Live Good business opportunity. So this is for educational purposes only and hindi po tayo nag-share dito ng kung ano-ano mang mga legal, financial, or even investment advices. So lahat po ng mga potential na earnings or mga results na ipapakita natin later on ay illustrative lang po yun at hindi po dapat i-considered as typical. Kasi alam naman po natin in any type of businesses, no, lahat po ng result po natin ay nakadepende sa time, effort na ilalaan po natin in the business. So hopefully clear po tayo diyan. So before tayo mag-proceed, meron muna akong i-share sa inyo na short video, kumbaga bird's eye view on who and what this company is. So let's watch first this short video of our CEO, Ben Glinsky.
Hi, my name is Ben Glinsky, founder and CEO of LiveGood. Since we launched just a few short years ago, LiveGood has become the fastest growing company in the entire health and wellness industry and the fastest growing company ever in the network marketing industry. And we haven't just broken records, we have absolutely shattered them, with over 2 million people already having joined LiveGood in just the first few years. Hundreds of thousands of people all over the world are generating extra income from home. We've paid out over $100 million in commissions, introduced close to 50 of the highest quality, life-changing products. We've been featured all over the internet, on podcasts, news articles, even on TV. We are changing lives. And the most exciting part is this is just the beginning. So how has LiveGood become so successful the past few years? Well, so many other companies are struggling, losing customers, and going out of business. One word: timing. Recognizing trends in the network marketing industry, trends in the wellness space, trends in the economy. What worked 5 or 10 years ago isn't working today. The world has changed. Buying habits have shifted. Consumers are not spending money the way they used to. They're getting smarter. They're comparing quality, comparing ingredients, value, and no longer blindly believing anything they see or hear on the internet. People are looking for ways to save money without compromising quality. And companies still doing it the old way, making a product for $5 and trying to sell it for 60, doesn't work anymore. In the words of our Director of Field Development, Nader Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. People want and deserve value. They want high quality for a fair price. And that's exactly what we're doing at LiveGood. Alongside our world-class team, including industry expert Lisa Goodkin and leading formulator, Dr. Ryan Goodkin, the scientific mind behind our products, creating only the highest quality, cleanest, healthiest, premium nutritional supplements and making them available for just a few dollars above cost. Take our organic Super Reds, for example, probably the best cardiovascular health product ever created. Higher quality with more antioxidant-packed ingredients than best-selling non-organic Super Beets for half the price. How about CBD oil? Other companies are selling 750 milligrams CBD for as much as $80. We have the highest quality, premium, USDA certified organic CBD oil available anywhere for just $14.95. So what does this mean for you? Well, on top of saving a ton of money on the highest quality nutritional supplements on the planet to help you get healthy, stay healthy, and do it in an affordable way, we also have the most powerful opportunity to earn income as well. When you have the highest quality supplements at the lowest prices anywhere, it makes it very easy for people to understand and want to join. And on top of having products that literally sell themselves, we also have the simplest and most duplicatable compensation plan and power line driven marketing system the industry has ever seen, proven by over 2 million members joining in just the first few years. So the way the power line works, when you enter your name and email on this page, we will immediately reserve you a position in the power line and show you everyone who does the same after you by placing them under you in the power line. Each Thursday night is the cutoff day to lock in your position or miss out. Everyone who locks in their position by becoming a member of LiveGood for just $9.95 a month plus a one-time $40 affiliate sign-up fee moves to the top of the power line above everyone who waits. Those people are then placed in our 2x15 forced matrix before all the people below them in the power line. Each person is positioned in the matrix in the highest available position following their enroller. Now, since it's a 2x matrix, that means everyone has 2 frontline positions. Once those 2 spots are filled, the only place everyone else can go is under the people who are already in. So anyone who falls below you in the matrix, whether you enrolled them or they were placed there by someone else, you will get paid on them. So even one person in your matrix who goes to work and builds a team could very realistically be earning you hundreds of dollars a month in residual income. And if you want to earn even more, just by enrolling 2 people, you triple your earning potential by qualifying for our matching bonuses. Without enrolling people, you have the potential to earn up to $2,047 per month in the matrix. If you decide to share the products and opportunity with others, there's no limit as to how much you can earn. Just by being a member of LiveGood, not only do you get to save money on the highest quality products at the lowest prices every day, but getting in this early, you also have a huge opportunity to get in before the real growth happens. 2 million members in just our first few years is absolutely amazing. Never been done before in the history of the home-based business industry. But that is a tiny number compared to where we're going to be in the next few years. None of us are getting everything we need out of our daily diets. Everyone needs nutritional supplements. 60% of people are already using supplements. That's over 5 billion people worldwide. And LiveGood is the only company on the planet offering the highest quality, cleanest, healthiest, premium products at the lowest prices anywhere. Talk about a competitive advantage. Once people see LiveGood, they can't unsee it. Nobody is going back to spending $60 on a greens powder when they could get the best one on the market for $19.95. That's why over the next few years, as millions and millions of people hear about LiveGood, we fully expect 10 million, 20 million, potentially 50 million people or more to join LiveGood. It just makes sense. And the only place for them to go in the matrix is under the ones who are already in. So the sooner you lock in your position, the sooner people can be placed in your team. Don't miss this opportunity. Fill out the form on the right, check out all of our life-changing products on the website, and it's not hard to see why millions of people are making the switch to LiveGood. Getting healthy, staying healthy, doing it in an affordable way, and earning extra income in their spare time from home with LiveGood. Fill out the form. We'll see you at the top.
See you at the top. So at least right now, you have a glimpse of idea on who and what this company is. So syempre, dito sa ating presentation, mas ipapaliwanag natin yung sinabi ng ating CEO. Kaya tune in ka lang and don't tune out. Welcome! Welcome again everyone to this amazing company called LiveGood. So LiveGood launched globally on December 13, 2022. And we are a US-based direct sales company focused in the wellness and digital service industry. So as of now, magpo 4 years pa lang po tayo this upcoming December Yes, no? So, kahit ganun, ay marami na rin po tayo kahit papaano nga napatunayan. Yes. So, ngayon, share ko lang din sa inyo some reasons why live good. So, there are lots of reasons, but for now, I'll just give you 6. So, unang-una dito, we have amazing products. When we say amazing, quality, potent, at the same time, organic. Okay? And hindi lang yan, ay transparent din po tayo when it comes transparency, meron po tayong mga third party certifications. Yes, no, nagpapatunay na dumaan tayo sa mga testing and lahat po tayo ay nakapasa doon sa mga testings na yun. Okay, so quality po talaga, amazing products, and number two, incredible prices. Kasi alam ko naman maraming mga products na na-try na po natin before, kaso nga lang ang hirap i-maintain. Di ba? So kahit maganda yung product pero mahal, nako, doon tayo mahirapan. Pero dito, amazing products na, incredible prices pa. Actually, sabihin ko na po sa inyo na ang incredible prices, we mean that wholesale. Yes, wholesale or almost a factory price po ang ating mga products dito. Yes, and 3 and 4, no auto shipping and monthly products to buy. Yes, hindi ka pipilitin dito ng company na bumili ng products, you buy whenever and whatever you want. And number 5, 90 days empty bottle money back guarantee. That means that within 90 days, pag nagustuhan mo yung, pagka hindi mo nagustuhan yung products or nagkaroon ka ng adverse effects sa health mo, no questions asked, ibabalik po sa inyo yung pera mo. Yes, so ganoon po tayo ka-confident sa product po natin. And number 6, number 1, business to join. Yan. So, syempre, hindi lang po tayo nagki-claim yan. Meron po tayong patunay. Yan. Nanguna dito, ang ating rank po no, sa Business for Home na AAA plus since 2024. So, ibig sabihin, kumbaga sa school pa, parang with highest honor. Yes. So, ibig sabihin, nakikita po ng Business for Home na long term po tayo, profitable, and at the same time, maganda, one of the best company na pwede mong gawin. Yes, and of course, sa DSN, na-feature din po tayo nakapag-celebrate ng 1 million members in just a matter of 13 months. Yes, and sa first 3 years po natin, nakapag-payout lang naman ng company ng tumataginting ng 140 million US dollars. Yes, so ibig sabihin gano'n po ka-generous yung company, 'no? Yan lang naman po ang pinamigay sa mga affiliates. And as of now, nasa 2 million plus na po tayo, 'no? In just less than 4 years. Yes, so running to 3M na po tayo, grabe. So gano'n po tayo pinagkakaguluhan, pinagkakatiwalaan ng mga tao, not just here in the Philippines but worldwide. So siyempre, okay? All thanks to our corporate team. Okay? So, syempre, ang kumbaga brain behind the success of this company is because of our company owners. Yan. Okay, so ang ating mga company owners, yan, starting from our CEO, okay, so may 20 plus years of experience in this kind of field. Is also an IT guy and ibig sabihin, veteran na po. No? And very transparent, maririnig po natin siya every Zoom call po, every week. Yes, and talagang grabe yung vision niya. Masabi ko ang para po siyang si Elon Musk of direct selling kasi sobrang genius po talaga eh. No? Very simple but the business makes sense. Yes, no? And of course, ang ating Director of Field Development, si Noder, may 30 plus years of experience na rin in this kind of field. Ang dami na rin natulungan. So together, they have 50 plus years na. No? So ibig sabihin, ano tayo, kung kampante tayo kasi ang owners po natin ay hindi po mga baguhan na pag-eksperimentuhan lang tayo. Okay? So, nakaset po talaga tayo for long term. And katuwang din po nila si Dr. Ryan and Lisa Goodkin. Ayan. So, mag-partner po yan sila and sila po yung Director of Product Development and Product Education. So, sila po yung in charge sa pag-formulate, pag-create, and pag-educate sa atin when it comes to the products and our health as well. Okay, hindi rin basta-basta kasi sila din mismo tinitake yung products and not just that, meron din silang background when it comes to pharmacy, natural health practitioner, and pagiging healthy, right? So, napag-aralan po yan talaga nila. Okay? Kaya they make sure when they create products, quality, maganda, and organic. Okay? So ano ba yung goal natin? Napakasimple lang, to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. And to help people earn easier and faster than any other company in the industry. So, ito po yung ating mga products. We have 50 plus na products na po. As of now, lahat po yan made in the US, certified by GMP and USDA, and may mga lab tests. As I've said, meron tayong mga third-party certifications. No, magpapatunay na pure at potent ang mga products natin. So, ilan po sa mga bagong na-release na mga products po natin are, of course, itong CBD gummies, no? Good for pang-relax, pang-pakalma po sa atin, recovery and comfort, no? And itong ating NAD plus dissolving strip po yan siya. Yan, best po especially sa mga nagkakaedad na kasi it supports cellular energy, brain health, DNA repair, etc. And of course, itong ating bagong-bago lang din ang ating parasite cleanse, no? So, ang maganda dito kasi support parasite elimination. Kasi hindi po natin alam, kumakain po tayo ng kung ano-ano lang, especially yung mga raw meat, ayan, or hindi po tayo gumagamit ng tsinelas sa labas, nagpapaalang, no? So, even the tubig, no? Ayan, so di natin alam baka contaminated at unconsciously, no? Hindi po natin alam na meron na pala tayong parasite, no? So ito po, tumutulong to para eliminate po lahat ng cycle po ng parasite. Alright? Ayan. And of course, we're legit company, registered in Florida, USA, and ito naman po yung ating mga certifications na nagpapatunay na quality, organic, at walang nahalo na kung ano-ano sa mga products natin. And ito naman po ang ating, syempre, iba-ibang pangangailangan natin, 'di ba? So we create products, or our company creates products every single month tailored for specific needs. Kasi for example, iba naman yung pangangailangan for men's and women's, iba for anti-aging, skincare, immunity, no? Ayan. So, hindi po tayo humihinto. Every now and then, nagke-create po ang ating company ng products para po sa ating health. Galing, no? And of course, para makapag-order tayo, you can order as consumer or member. But both of them, low prices po makukuha nyo yung products natin, lalo na pag nag-member kayo. Ayan. So, compare natin, no? So, sa ating products, no, quality, wala na po tayong ano do'n, kumbaga question, but the pricing, no? Alam niyo po ba ito yung sobrang kumbaga na-amaze din po ako, no? Kasi ito lang po yung company nagbibigay ng wholesale or almost factory price, no? Of course, US based, no? Ayan, na talaga masabi nating quality pa sa quality, no? Kasi sa ibang company, alam niyo po ba, 350 grams, lalo na siyempre pagka, for example, dito sa atin, famous barley, 350 grams, umabot po ng 3,600 to 6,000 pesos. Yes, alam mo sa atin magkano lang? Sama mo ng shipping fee around 2,000 pesos. Ganun ka-affordable. Grabe, no? Ito pa, essential oils. Alam niyo po ba yung isang essential oils? Okay, meron pa ako ditong sample, no? Okay, itong essential oils na to, ayan. Okay, and from Live Good. Okay. So, ito po ay itong frankincense, for example, no, sa ibang company po binibenta nila around 4,000 to around 6,000. Yes, 4K to 6K, gano'n po ka-expensive. Alam mo sa atin magkano lang? Magkano lang po? Sama mo na shipping fee, around 3,000 pesos. Yes, 3,000 pesos, guys. Oh, 6 na po 'yan. Hindi ko po sinasabi isang product, 6 na products. Merong tea tree, meron pong frankincense, lavender, okay? Meron po tayong, and I forgot the others, no? You can check out more of that sa ating website. Grabe, I was amazed, no? Kasi ino-offer po high quality na, tapos wholesale pa yung price. Grabe. And ito pang is black seed, the remedy for everything but death. Around 1,500. Sa iba ang mahal, up to $50, 3,000 pesos. Sa atin, itong collagen naman, ganun din, around 3,000. Sa iba, up to $80. No? So, ngayon, alam ko, mapapaisip kayo, how is it possible? Highest quality, organic na mga products, and wholesale price. Hindi ba malulugi yung company? Ayan, okay? So, ngayon, yan po i-share natin later on. Actually, it is because of the business model. Pero before ko i-share yun, share ko muna itong isa sa mga nakita ko ring naging edge, no? Lamang ng company 'to kasi parang advanced technology siya eh. No? Kasi available tayo in 200 plus countries and territories. No? Which is itong mga countries na nakikita nyo po sa screen nyo right now, matatanggap natin yung products, magagawa natin yung business, matatanggap natin ang ating commissions once we earn through our affiliate program. Yes po. And I was mind blown kasi mostly no sa ibang company, no? Hindi lang sa Pinas, ibang bansa, they open one country at a time. Yes, one country at a time, no? Ito since day 1, 220 countries na po. Yes po, you heard that right, no? Kaya ito talaga literally, ito yung company na walang saturation. Walang saturation and at the same time talagang hindi po tayo maubusan ng tao talaga. Kasi global po literally yung company, no? Hindi lang mga Pilipino, iba't ibang lahi. Ayan po, nakikita nyo from Uzbekistan, Russia, Indonesia, and Africa, like Seychelles, South Africa, Nigeria, Uganda, no? Mauritius, etc. O ito, India, Sweden, Bangladesh, of course, the US, in Vietnam. Grabe, no? Talagang global po. Global po ang ating company. Alright? So, how is it possible? Siyempre, it is because of the business model. Ayan. Simplihan ko na lang po, no? Subscription. Okay? Anong subscription? Business model where people pay regularly. Yan. May naalala ka bang binabayaran mo every month or every year para enjoy mo yung products, services, or benefits? Meron ba? O, type number 1. Okay? Or i-type mo yung kung ano. Okay? Kung wala, ayan, pakita ko na sa inyo para may hint na kayo. Yan. Ito familiar kayo, Amazon Prime, Netflix, Sam's Club, Disney Plus, Costco, Rocket Car Wash. Anong common sa kanila? People pay every month, every year to enjoy the benefits. Free shipping, unlimited movies, and unlimited car wash, and etc. Ito, kung nagbabayad kayo ng kuryente, tubig, nagpapaload kayo, naghuhulog SSS, GSIS. Diba? Parang subscription na rin siya. So, let's talk more about this industry. Okay? Alam niyo po ba itong Netflix? Meron ng sample. 303 million subscribers as of 2025. 45.2 billion revenue in the USD. And 10.43 billion USD. Yung net profit. So, right now, may idea na kayo gaano kayaman. No? Grabe, no? 600 lang binabayan ng mga tao, pero ang yaman-yaman na pala ng company na to. Ito pa, Costco, 145 million members. 5.3 billion yung revenue last year. Grabe, no? Though these companies offers amazing products and services, they don't have what LiveGood has. Ano po yun? Memberships that pays. Alright? So, let's try to compare LiveGood versus other companies. So, ibang companies, and of course, in LiveGood, may magandang products. Wala tayong question dyan. And magandang services at the same time. So, no questions yan. Kaso nga lang, wala po silang income. But in LiveGood, you can be a consumer, member, affiliate, part owner, and even shareholder. What? Paano nangyari yan? So, mamaya explain ko rin. Okay? Kaya huwag kang mawawala. Patapusin mo itong presentation na to. So, tanungin kita, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? Sino dito gusto kumita ng dollar? So, marami ngayon, marami ng mga racket, nagre-reels, kung ano nung ginagawa, nagpa-prank, no? Para kumita lang ng dollar sa Meta. No? Dito hindi niyo po kailangan gawin ng kung ano-ano, no? Dito napakasimple lang para kumita ng dollars. O mamaya i-share ko rin. For those interested in earning with Live Good, stay for the second part of the presentation. So, ngayon, paano tayo maging affiliate member? So, syempre, para ma-enjoy natin yung benefits, no, mag-enroll po tayo. Tawag po sa atin affiliate member. Ayan. So, we have two options, kagaya ng ibang mga subscription companies. Okay, we have monthly and yearly. Sa monthly po natin, ang babayaran natin sa first month, 3,000. Succeeding months natin, 600 lang. Yun lang. Yun lang po yung OPEX natin or overhead expenses. Yan yung maintain natin. Pero gusto mo ba ng libre? O, type free. Ayan. Okay. O, we have second option, yearly. Magkano babayaran? 8,400. Ayan. 8,400 lang. Ang maganda dito kasi nakatipid ka ng 2 months. Kasi instead na 12 months yung babayaran mo, 10 months lang. Yung 2 months, binigay mo na po ng company sa'yo ng libre. Libre na po. Yes. So, ngayon, ano naman po yung benefits pag ikaw ay naging affiliate member? So, we have access to membership club. So, dito po, kakalaruhin lang natin, this is not a traditional direct selling or MLM company. Na pag-join mo, meron kang bit-bit na products dito. Wala po. Because we are a club membership. Ibig sabihin, think of it like Costco, Landers, SNR. Di ba nagbayad ka, enrolled ka na, o doon ka palang makakapasok sa establishment. O doon ka pa makakabili ng mga bibilhin mo na mga goods, no, na discounted. Ganon din po dito. So, wala kang physical product kasi ano pa lang po yun, virtual, okay? Or yung product po natin ay yung membership. Okay? Ayan, para ma-access yung other product which is, okay, ito yun nga, yung membership club natin na you can get these products like this one, no? Yan, itong essential oils, highest quality, wholesale price. Ayan, okay, parang Costco, ganun po. Para maintindihan nyo, Costco, Landers, S&R. Okay? Ayan, share ko po sa inyo kanina. Tapos, meron kang digital marketing products. So, lahat po, tool system provided ng company. Kasama po itong replicated. Not just one, not just two, but 9. Yes, 9 replicated websites. And online trainings via Zoom. Free yan, by the way. And lifetime support. Save up to 75% on our products compared to other companies. And 9 ways to earn. So, ito po yung sample ng mga replicated websites natin na grabe ang gaganda. Ngayon, yung homepage natin in-improve pa. Yes, grabe. So, we have company site, no? Wherein, again, replicated ito, wherein yung, meron tayong pangalan sa taas natin as if, ano po natin yan, website. We have landing pages, dalawa, no? Retail site, product sites, free detox, clinic site, and health assessment website. And madadagdagan pa yan very soon. Alright? And ito po yung ating compensation plan. How do we make money? No? Okay, so dito na tayo sa kitaan. So before ko i-share yun, meron tayong structure dito which is unilevel. You can enroll as many people as you can, up to 10 levels deep. And matrix, which is system po yung naglalagay po sa atin sa matrix. Okay? 2 by 15. Ikaw, merong sa frontline mo, dalawa. Frontline niya, tigda dalawa. 2, 4, 8, 16, and so on. Alright? So we have 9 ways to earn. Okay? So, dito po sa ating 9 ways, I will not be explaining everything, but isi-share ko lang po sa inyo mga importante lang. Alright? So, we have number 1, retail commissions. We have shop link and physical products. So, for example, itong greens natin, nabenta po siya, meron kang difference sa $6. So, mangyayari, $3 sa'yo, $3 sa company. So, ganun lang siya kasimple. Okay? For example po, di ba, 2,000 yan. O, meron kang physical, dala mo. In order mo sa company, 2,000 mo siya nakuha. Pwede mo ibenta, pwede mo ibenta ng 3,000 or 3,500. Okay? Mura pa rin po yun. Yes, compare mo sa ibang company, nako, sobrang mura pa rin po yun. Meron kang 1,000 or 1,500, depende sa benta mo. Okay? Ito naman, for example, international pack, difference price na $30, 15 sa'yo, 15 sa company. Ayan. So, ito naman yung ating fast start. Ang goal lang natin dito, mag-share. Patype nga dyan, share. Ayan. Mag-share. Once na nag-share ka, nagustuhan po nila yung concept ng business, may na-enroll ka. No? Sabihin natin, interested lang sa products muna. Pwede silang mag-member. Magkano yung member? 600 pesos lang babayaran. Yan. Yes. So, magkano magiging earnings mo? 300. Okay? So, parang nag-share ka lang ng magandang restaurant na nakainan mo or yung sine, yung pelikula. Uy, ang ganda ng pelikula, di ba? How to Train Your Dragon, no? Di ba? Ang ganda ng pelikulang Avengers Doomsday. Okay, palabas na by December. Di ba? Na-promote na agad, no? Okay, kumita sinihan, di ba? O, hindi tayo kumita doon. Dito, mag-share ka lang din. Okay, mga products maganda. So, maganda, matry mo muna products. So, pag for example, nag-enroll sila as member, you can earn 300. So, for example, this week, kasi weekly to binibigay, may enroll ka na 10, next week, meron kang 3,000. Okay? And ngayon, pag may enroll kang affiliate member, nagbayad ng ano po, 3,000 or yung 8,400, no? 8,400 po yung binayaran nila. So, magkano po ang, ano po, kita nyo? So, that's 1,500. So, weekly din po ito. For example, this week, may na-enroll kang 5. The following week, meron kang $125. And alam nyo po ba, this part alone, no? Ito sample computation lang guys ha. Okay, depende din po ito sa effort natin. But, if we do this, no? Ayan, nako, ang laki ng potential ito. Power of 5. Meron tayong feasibility study, no? Power of 5, where enroll ka na ng 5, yung 5 mag-enroll din ng tigli 5. Sabihin natin monthly or sabihin natin yearly. Worst case scenario, darating yung time na up to, up to 10 months or di kaya 10 years, worst case scenario, you can earn as much as 6 million US dollar. That's 369 million pesos. Grabe, no? And dito alone, no, the company pays out up to 80% of the fast start bonus. Alright? No? And alam niyo po ba itong 10, no? Top 10 natin sa leaderboard. Ang minimum na kinikita po nila. Grabe, magkano po? O magkano? 7 figures. Oh, US company to, 'di ba? Dito walang pini-favor o dapat US lang. No. Depende sa sipag mo. Top 1, top 2 natin, no? Hindi naman US company, US country yan, I mean. No? O, ano yan? Vietnam, Canada, o top 3 natin, o US. Top 4, oh. Tingnan nyo naman, South Africa, Canada, Australia, o may Turkey nakapasok. O, 1.1, 1.6, 1.8, 2.6, 3.7 million ang kinikita po. Grabe. Alright, and ito naman po ang ating rank up system. So, hindi ko pa explain lahat, but ang goal lang nito mag-build ng team, magparami ng grupo, ng subscriber. Ang bronze, at least 2, referral mo. Silver, at least 20 na subscriber. Gold, 100. Platinum, 500. Diamond, 25. Crown Diamond is 50,000. Ganun lang po. So, hindi ko explain lahat dito because may separate training tayo about this one. Okay? Ayan. So, ngayon, dito naman tayo next, no? Which is the matrix bonus. So dito, ang goal lang natin is makapag-build ng subscribers. Type mo nga dyan, subscribers. Subscribers, okay? Subscribers or members na nagbabayad ng 600 a month. No? Which is, pag nagbabayad sila, meron kang 0.25 cents or 15 pesos. So, just have to find 2, help to find 2. Okay, so yan po yung structure. So, for example, ikaw nasa taas. So, ngayon may na-refer ka 2, so ilalagay sila sa first line mo. Okay? Ayan. So, ikaw may tigda-2 din. So, system maglalagay. Ikaw 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, and so on. Okay? Ayan. So, dito, no, ang mas exciting, which is ang matching bonus. Yung kanina, yung matrix, monthly po yun. Okay, binibigay first Thursday. Which is you can earn up to 6 figures every month. Pero mas exciting to. Bakit? Dito kalahati binibigay po ng company sa earnings po ng ating referrals. Yes, okay. So, for example po, no? Ayan. So, before tayo pumunta sa example, ito pala ay generational. Ibig sabihin, hindi ka lang dito kikita sa mga personal referrals mo, kundi sa entire team. Okay, so paano yan? For example po, no, na-refer mo si Mateo, kumita ng 10K kasi nakapag-build ng team. Magkano per earnings niya, per earnings mo? 5K. Mari 5K, sa'yo 2.5. Lucy 15K, 7.5 sa'yo. Arthur 1K, sa'yo 500. Robert 20K, sa'yo 10,000. Ganun lang po kasimple. Okay, so ito po yung actual na earnings po, no? Ayan, sa ating back office. Ito po, I don't know kung kanino po ito, no? Ayan, pero that time, no, bago lang po yung ano po niya enroll nag-diamond si Ryan. Alam niyo po ba that time, kumita po siya ng 55K. Yes, yung 15 pesos na ipon yun kasi dumami, nag 55K. Totoo ba ang 50%? Yes po. Kumita po siya 27K. Itong Abel, 37K kinita. Magkano kinita niya? 18K. Si Dave, 18K, 9K kinita niya. David, 42,000. Magkano kinita niya? 4,000, another 2,000, another 2,000. O, di ba? And dito naman, ang goal lang natin dito is um, pag nakapag-start ka, we encourage din na at least ma-join mo dito at least 2 of your family member. Kasi darating yung time, matrix mo, matrix din nila, matching mo sa kanila, you can earn as much as 6 figures. 500,000 every single month. That is month after month, after month, after month, every month. Grabe, no? And pag nakapag-refer ka pa ng 20, natulungan mo sila. Dumami din, napuno yung matrix. For example lang po, no? You can earn up to 7 figures. Yes po, bakit? Meron na pong nakagawa niyan. Okay? Ayan. So, ito po yung sample earnings natin ng mga Live Good affiliates. Ayan, nag-gold siya. Ayan, 17K kinita niya. Pwede na rin. Nag-platinum siya, at least 6 figures, 200,000. Di ba? Ayan. Alright. So, ngayon, dito naman tayo sa ating diamond bonus pool. Alright. So, dito sa ating diamond bonus pool, ito na po yung shareholder ka. Parang kang shareholder. When yung 2% sa sales, whether membership or products, hati-hatiin po ng diamonds. For example, 50M times 2%, that's 1M. So, for example, may 200 na diamond. So, lahat ng diamond maghahati-hati ng 5,000. For example po, itong ayan, Coach Ryan, in 3 months time, grabe naman po. Yan, 6 figures. Almost 7 figures na po nung nag-diamond po siya. And hindi lang po dyan nagtatapos, no, ang ating crown diamond. 0.5% naman, no? Same scenario, 50M, that's point times 0.5% to 50,000. Divide 3 crown diamond, 83K. And ito po yung ating sample earnings ng crown diamond, si Coach Tim Miller, which is, wherein siya po yung pinakaunang crown diamond. And sobrang inspiring kasi naka-wheelchair. Grabe po, no? And in 13 months time, kumita lang naman po ng 7 figures in US dollar. And of course, no, sa isang buwan, grabe naman, no? Grabe. Almost 4.5 million pesos. Pwede na? Pwedeng-pwede. Okay, grabe. So, ito po yung ating mga kumita. And kasama na rin po tayo doon na kahit paano kumita na rin. Hindi na po updated dito iba. But, of course, ang point lang dito ay talagang legit na may kumikita po talaga. Alright? So, as of now, nasa 2 million plus, 2.3 million plus na po tayo. And it's just the tip of the iceberg. Even the first 5 million, yung mega structure, no? Yung nasa baba, no? Hindi natin nakikita. Diba sa iceberg, 20 to 30 million members or even 50 or even 100 million ang mag-join in the years to come, 10 to 20 years or so. Our projection will have 3 million subscribers before the year ends in God's will. Okay? So right now, kung nanonood po kayo, maybe ito na po ang opportunity na hinahanap nyo. Ang kailangan nyo lang is is to take action and be part of this revolution. Kasi ang dami na pong natulungan when it comes to health, when it comes to wealth, extra income, sabihin na lang natin, ang dami na po. Now guys, para po itong train, di ba yung train dadaan, bubukas, sumakay ko hindi, sarado, andar ulit. This isn't just an ordinary train. This is a Shanghai Maglev. Currently the fastest commercial train in the world, no, for now. Okay, tumatakbo ng up to 401 miles per hour. Ganun kabilis. Kasi ano na lang siya magnetic levitation, wala na pong gulong. Lumulutang na lang siya. Grabe. Okay? No? So, ganun po ganun din po ito kabilis. Na ngayon 2.3, pagdilat ka, pagpikit mo, pagdilat ulit 3M, 4M, 5M, 20M na. No? So I'm not saying this one to convince you, but what I'm trying to say is if you really understood this one, sabi pa ng CEO namin, if you see it, you can't unsee it. As in, grabe, iba po talaga to eh. And grabe din yung future. No? Ayan. So kung mag-decide ka, welcome. If not, we're still friends. No problem. Alright? So here are some reasons why Live Good. Number 1, we just officially launched globally. No? Nasa pioneering pa lang po tayo. Okay, and high quality and very affordable health products, marketing system, tools, and train ako. Grabe, hindi po tumitigil sa pag-innovate. Ikaw na lang po yung magsasawa na grabe po, as in, hindi po tumitigil. Grabe yung utak ng may-aring to. As in, pati yung support nandyan po talaga. Simple, powerful, lucrative, and very generous pay plan, and successful, fun, and winning team. Ang tanong, are you A, B, or C? Do you want to become an affiliate member, a member, or retail customer? If I were you, sabi pa nga dito no sa Jeremiah 29:11, so before ako mag-stop dito no, or before ako magtapos, I'll leave you with this verse no na naway makatulong din po sa inyo makapag-decide. No? Sabi dito, for I know the plans I have for you. Ito, parang natin narinig. Sabi ni Lord, plans to prosper you, not to harm you, plans to give you hope in a future. If you truly believe in your mind, body, and soul, may magandang plano si Lord sa life mo, maybe isa po ito. Ang kailangan mo lang is to take action. Massive action. So, welcome in advance, no? And congratulations for taking actions. Remember, faith without work is dead. Kung hindi ka magta-take action, nako, useless po yan. No, pray ka lang ng pray. If you don't take action, it's useless. Okay? So, thank you so much. Get back with the person that invited you and let them know if you're an A, B, or C.